2015 Tier 1 Asia Edition, PYT number 53. Top spot on the randomizer gets Christmas in July. 9 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Ooh, blurs. 9 times. Nasty oobs. Squads open the corners, fellas. Let's get nasty. Sweet mother of God. Mike, you're running out of chances, my man. You are running out of chances. Andrew, let me know when you're ready for me to go. I will give you adequate time that you need to try and sell your bets if you'd like. Go ahead and get the packs up. What's up, Corey? Appreciate it, Paul. Guys, as soon as we get down to one Christmas in July left in the store, I'm going to throw some other stuff in the store. No, you're just terrible at randomization, Mike. Joe, I'm guessing they probably got it out in adequate time, and I'm guessing it's a post office related thing. If you want, hit us an email at nastybreaks@gmail.com. Or excuse me, at outlook.com, and we'll look it up for you, Joe. 200, Jason. Guys, you know what? I'm going to leak something. Do you guys want me to leak one thing? What's up, Louis Card Collector? Do you guys want me to leak something? Leaking from my mouth and revolves the giveaway. Ooh. Guys, I think we might have got there. I told you guys bat knobs and bat barrels come out of this stuff like crazy. Oh, I hope that's a monster. Survey says
I'm not going to the PYT party, Joey.
it's bigger than trout.
Hey
Kyle Seager to 225. I'm going to get to the leak here in a second. I have one thing on my mind. Joey Votto to 25. Yu Darvish to 199. Frank Thomas to 199. Told you guys the Asia exclusive stuff Asia edition has so many bat knobs and bat barrels. Jared Kosar to 25. Dylan Betances to 99. To 299. Buster Posey. Oh, it's going last. 100%. It deserves to go last. Anthony Ronaldo to 399. It's going to be the closer. Carlos Baerga Asia exclusive. Number to 5. Tony Gwynn to 50. Number to 50, Tim Raines. Number to 5, Asia exclusive, Corey Spangenberg. Cal Ripken Jr. number to 30. And Billy Hamilton to 399. Does anybody have any guesses as to who that is? And Bates Trolling is one of the guesses. Alcantara to 399. Galarraga to 399. To 399, Chase Utley. Well, thank you, Joe Dub. Jonathan Scope, number to 299. Chet Steadman. No more Garcia Parra to 50. He says Chet Steadman. Number to 50, Garrett Cole. Number to 299, Josh Harrison. Hector Santiago to 399. Actually, I already pulled the Clemente cut auto out of this and gave it away for free, Mike. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Wade Boggs to 25. Tanaka to 399. Alex Cobb to 299. Carlos Delgado, number to 99. I already pulled the Ted Williams out of this Blaine. Number to 50, Hyun-Jin Ryu. Oh, look, if it's Jay Conley on the Twitch side. Cole Calhoun, number to 349. That means he's getting special time on his phone during the date night. Number to 399, Brandon Crawford. Tim Lincecum, number to 399. Oh, he knows, Joe. He knows. I was talking it to him. I don't hide behind stuff like you, Joe. To 299, Javier Baez. Number to 299, David Cohn. Cardboard Jesus. To 399, Troy Tulowitzki. Number to 10, Rusney Castilla. Phil Necro to 10. And David Wright to 399. Boys and girls, who's ready for greatness? Who is ready for greatness? Just so you know that I'm not trolling. That takes trolling out of the equation. Oh my god, such a huge card. Such a huge freaking card. Hey, number to 25, Chris Sale. Number to 399, Carlos Delgado. You guys ready? You guys ready? That just happened. That just happened. Douglas, I better get a nice.
If you guys want to go to it, it's the same deal. You give them $10,000, they give you those 9K.
So sick.
They give you a ticket to the
So
show.
sick. Joe says that's worth about $10. That's about a $10 bill. Nasty Willie Mays. Oh my god, man.
Lately I've been a little bit
So sick.
busier, but I mean I have like even toyed around with the idea of like trying
I said Jimmy.
a lot more bones.
So sick.
A lot
And that was the break, guys. Thank you all. Appreciate it.